Presumption against intending injustice. Here, the courts will presume that the legislature does not intentionally enact a statute that leads to an injustice or unfair results. Of course, most laws may lead to some kind of inconvenience to some people. But the primary aim of the law will be a greater good or a greater benefit to a larger number of people. So, while interpreting any statutes, the courts will first try to minimize the injustices or the negative consequences of the law. For example, in the 1980s, there was a situation where the authorities wanted to evict the people who had occupied the footpaths or encroached on public lands in Mumbai. Obviously, the intent behind evicting the people from the footpaths could be that the occupation of the footpaths was leading to pedestrians having to walk on the roads, and this was leading to a lot of accidents or traffic jams. Or it could even be that the occupation of the footpaths was negatively affecting the businesses in that area. So, the clearing of the footpath was for a greater good of a larger number of people, and it was being done as per the law. This is when a journalist called Olga Tellis, who was working with the Indian Express at the time, filed a petition on behalf of the pavement dwellers, challenging the eviction on the grounds that it was violating the right to life and the right to livelihood. In the judgment, the court held that while the law is correct and the action under the law is also correct, evicting people during the monsoon season was an injustice, and ordered that the evictions should happen only after the monsoon season had ended.